Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you can access PubG without losing progress. Link an alternate login if you haven't already, and write down your PubG UID. Once done, stay signed into the Google account currently connected. Now open PubG Mobile and go straight to Settings, right arrow Basic to view connected accounts. This ensures you're operating on the right profile and prevents accidental data loss during the unlink process. Next, disconnect at both ends. In-game, tap the connected Google entry and choose Disconnect if available. Make sure you confirm prompts. Then open your Google account on a browser or device, go to Security right arrow Third-party apps with account access, find PubG Mobile or Google Play Games, and remove access. This severs the OAuth permission and prevents automatic relogin. If there's no in-game disconnect, removing Google access. Finally, clear app cache or reinstall PubG to purge saved Google tokens. Then open the game and sign in with your preferred method to confirm unlinking succeeded. Make sure your progress appears under the new login. If PubG still logs you into the old Google account, remove that Google account from device or contact PubG support with your UID and screenshots as proof. They can help unlink accounts when automated steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.